Morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on what time you're watching this video right now. So in this video, our objective is to create a simple four-line poem webpage with the following: PG color, style attribute, and text formatting, along with the following details. Okay, so first, let's create a file using this file name, tulangpilipino.html. Let me just open my um, text editor. Let me use the folder that I have used last time. And in this folder, let's create a file with uh, the name chalangpilipino.html. Okay, so our heading is pangarap sa pagsisikap. So let us first create our structure. HTML tag pair, head tag pair, title tag pair, and then also the body tag pair. Okay, so let's title it Tulang Pilipino. Okay, so now we have created the HTML structure. Let us now continue with the heading. So in the body tag pair, let's create the heading tag pair, which is the H1, pangarap sa pagsisikap. And also the content is this. Under it, let's add it under the heading using the P tag pair. So let's save it. Let's open the file, document, HTML files. Oh, it's here. Okay, now we have the content, the heading, and the content below. So now let's just format it. Let us first format the body. What we want to happen is we want to change the background color of it. So we use the BG color attribute. Let's look for color that we can use. Hex color codes. And let's just use this one here. Let's just use a light color. Control C, paste it here. File, save our work. Go back to our work here and refresh. Now we have the background color. Now let's align. Let's add another attribute in the body tag, which is the align attribute. And we put it to the center. Save it. Refresh. So now all of the contents in the body element are now centered. And of course, let's use the style attribute to change the font family or the appearance of the text into, let's use here. Okay, let's use this one here. Cambria. Okay, so as you can see here, there are a lot of There are lots of um, fun styles that it offered, right? Cambria, coaching Georgia times New Roman, so that if Cambria is not gonna work, it's not supported, it will use chain. If it's still not supported, it will use Georgia. That's why when we are formatting the text family, the appearance of the text, we use multiple font styles. So let's refresh it. Go back to the page. Refresh. Okay, so now the appearance of the text has been changed. So the background color has been changed, the alignment has been changed, and also the appearance of the text. So now what we want to happen is the heading. We want to change its font size. So let's use style attribute again with the font size property. Let's change it into 500%. Refresh. There, that's better. Now the content is so small as well, so let's change its size into 250%. Refresh. That's better. Oops. Okay, so now we want the content to look like this. It should be 4 lines, not only 1 line. So we will add the BR tag to create break lines. So let's add it here, another one here, and also to the following. Save it. And then refresh. Now, we now have a proper 4 line poem. You can also add a BR here, BR tag, there. Okay, so now we want to highlight the first sentence, so we can use mark tag to highlight the first line. Refresh, save, and then refresh. Now we have it highlighted. Let's change this into bold. So we use the B tag. The third line should be italic. Let's use the I tag. And the last line should be underlined. So let's use the U tag. Okay, save our work. Go back to the file and then refresh. There. So you can also add break lines here. Another BR tag to create another break line under it. And there are the lines. There. Let's also add another BR here. Fresh. There. So now we have a simple web page about a 4 line poem. So that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.